Hi everyone, today we'll go over how to submit a purchase request on Raiderlink. Anytime your organization would like to purchase anything using fees from Raiderlink, you will need to submit a request under your budget. The first step is to go to your organization's page and take a look at the left-hand side where it says Money. Once you click on Money, it should show you all the available budgets you have for your organization purchase requests. Once you see that you have a budget and you have funds allocated to that budget, please scroll down and take a look at the payment/budget request. Once you click here, it will ask you which budget are you trying to utilize to pay for this expense. Let's select the only budget we currently have available for this organization. Then under transaction type, let's select purchasing and spending. For description, let's write test and move on to the next section. Make sure the revenue and expense amount always stays as expense. Now looking at the amount for allocated versus group funds, if you're trying to spend the funds from your student government fee budget, please type in the amount in this section. However, if you're trying to spend money from your fundraising account, let's say you're trying to order merch for your organization using the fundraise money or trying to make a donation, you will need to put in the amount under group funds. Moving forward, the group funds would reflect all your fundraise money up until this point until you deplete it. So let's write down 100 here and move on to the next section. Once you go to your club recharge training, you will learn that there are 4 primary methods of how we pay our suppliers. It's purchase order, Raider dollar card, reimbursement, and petty cash. So let's say you are trying to order pizza from Robert's Pizzeria and you would like to pay them with a purchase order. In that case, you will select purchase order here and go to the next section. It will ask you different questions starting from asking, who is your student life advisor? Let's say we type in Dean Pandit's name here. Then you will follow the rest of the prompt and fill them out. And at the bottom, when you're done, you will hit submit form for approval. Now let's go back and take a look at the other sections. Let's say you are still getting pizza from Robert's Pizzeria. However, you did not get a chance to collect the invoice in time to get a purchase order payment, which is our primary method of payment. So you would like to now borrow a Raider dollar card so you can pay them in person. So then in that case, you will click on Raider dollar card and click next, and you will see that it will ask you for different questions. So depending on which method you choose, your form will look very different. However, every form starts with asking information about your student life advisor. So the correct advisor can be notified so you can receive approval in a timely fashion. Once you fill it out, please verify that what you're submitting is correct and is submitted in advance. If you're not able to submit in advance, please make sure you let us know why your request is late. Please make sure that this payment request is for a legitimate business on behalf of a student organization, and that you are submitting all the required paperwork. And if you're not able to submit all the required paperwork, unfortunately, we will either cancel or we'll have to wait until we have the required paperwork. And that's it. You are all set.